When I first started, like I said earlier, I didn't know what I wanted to do, and I became a helper. 4 years of college, I still didn't know what I wanted to do. I just came into it with my mind open, not knowing anything about the flooring business. I wasn't a family member. You know, I had no idea what was going to happen. I wouldn't have half the stuff I have. I have a house that's paid off, 2 cars I don't owe anything on. My wife is gorgeous and very supportive. I got 2 great kids. You know, none of that stuff comes to fruition unless I was able to work every day and make a living doing what I wanted to do. I think it'd be really good for a younger person now who's on the fence about flooring industry, install-wise, versus, I don't know, electrician or plumber or something like that, to know that there's somebody out there who's already been there, done that at Rusmur that can show you how procedurally things need to be done. You make more money the more tile you put in.